बाहर का प्रेशर ज्यादा नहीं हुआ, अंदर की
जो
तो
भी
अंदर ही जानी चाहिए।
अरे अवेयरनेस था, जो भी अवेयरनेस था, लेट्स से वैक्यूम था,
कह रहा हूँ मतलब चीजें होती
it
हैं
basically move in this direction after some years. So it's a skill.
So going back to the original question from where we started, so basically girls like pink because earlier they were given a task which was more fine grained or which required more
selective processing, and to
more,
select
and to use that they had certain
fairness criteria,
yeah, all right,
fairness criteria,
very smooth, very nice,
soothing to the eye,
things like
lively. So
and
all those
then,
things actually get imprinted. For example, I mean,
okay, and then the marketing companies started exploiting this
further reinforcing
put it more.
And it got, now what happened, you know, the what surprises me as a knowledge sharer is that जैसे डॉग डोमेस्टिकेट होते हैं ना, हमने क्या किया, वुल्फ को लिया, उसको डोमेस्टिकेट कर दिया, बट डोमेस्टिकेशन इज अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस, डॉग का जीन ही चेंज हो गया. तो ये सोशल इंजीनियरिंग जो बर्बी को पिंक पला रहे हैं, ऑल दोस थिंग, इट एक्चुअली चेंजिंग योर जीन.
लेकिन एक चीज इसका रिवर्स हुआ है बिल्कुल.
I mean, this is not very. It should be very strange actually. It's actually changing your gene.
एक
genetic likeness.
एक इसका एकदम रिवर्स है.
नहीं, but why girls like pink ये है ना.
ठीक है, लेकिन इसका रिवर्स मैं बताता हूँ. इसका रिवर्स
समरी बता दो यार, समरी नहीं है.
देखो चीज, इसका एक रिवर्स पार्ट भी है. रिवर्स पार्ट क्या मैं बताता हूँ.
मेरा काउंटर आर्गुमेंट ये है कि इस सब योर स्कीम ऑफ थिंग्स फ्री विल का क्या कहाँ आती है फिर. I didn't figure out क्या ह्यूमन में फ्री विल होती है. आपको फ्री विल होती है तो कहाँ से आती है?
Think about now.
That's where it gets connected
free will.
with God and consciousness and everything.
Free will. आप अगर यहाँ पे कार्ड से निकालोगे, तो what is the chance that you don't get accident? God forbid. So this accident, we go to astrology, we go to think, because we have certain degree of uncertainty in our life.
But at the time when I was, did I decide or didn't I decide by my free will that I'll get into the car in the first place?
So there are two people.
Was it all
people
my
say
evolution and my brain mappings and everything which forced me in the car?
No, so there is a temporal.
वो है कि आपको कहीं जाना होगा, तभी तो जाना क्यों होगा, क्योंकि कुछ तो हुआ होगा.
जाना होगा तो मेरे पास 10 चॉइसेस है, मैं पास ले सकता हूँ.
नहीं भी बेस्ट चॉइस होगी वही आप चूज करोगे.
वही मैं जाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
You have a free will. You have a free will.
Logical theory, right? We generally are, you know, logical.
But ये social engineering वाला part नहीं है शिरीष आपका कि to travel you use a car.
आप कार में क्यों जाओगे?
But I'm sort of going deeper than that. मालूम है, if the choice of travel, I may choose by my free will not to travel at all.
Right. Some people say that you don't have free will.
You will argue कि I made that choice because मेरी जो social background से और जो मेरे माता पिता ने.
No, नहीं.
But you use
नहीं.
At this moment of time, at any given moment of time, I take a decision because it's a sum of all my
See,
experiences.
there are temporal decisions they do at this, but it's completely your free will with a certain level of your influence from the brain, subconscious जो भी है. But I'm talking about the larger long-term effect, not your कि आप गाड़ी में जाएगी की decision. I'm not talking about that split of second decision. I'm talking about larger decision, which is much more long-term and much more elaborate scheme.
I'll give you an example. There was this famous incident where a plane got crashed in Argentinian Andes mountains, and a group of people who survived after very traumatic introspection, they had to eat other people.
The Chile team.
All their evolutionary instincts were against that action. You know, humans have been evolved.
Reverse evolution हो गया.
With the instinct saying, you know, you don't harm. You know, the society. Humans can only survive in this cruel world as a society, and in a society you don't kill other humans. Although social engineering has reversed that.
A lot of people.
But those people were not socially engineered criminals. They were decent people. But against all their instinct, they had to cut organs out of other people and eat it.
But that's a survival instinct. That's a basic instinct.
But
right, isn't it?
You know, some of them actually willed not to eat it and died.
मेरी मम्मी उन्हीं में से.
वहाँ थी फिर.
Some of those people chose to die
by not eating them.
So you might say when social engineering ends, your survival instincts start, and then you do whatever you have to do to survive.
I will say that's an anomaly to the.
So to me, that
anomaly.
means some people willed out of their own free will. Now you might argue they were motivated by their
in Matrix there is
morals and mores and God-fearing nature.
In Matrix there is a very famous thing, that anomaly in the equation. I think you would heard or not. So this majority portion people who actually eat that liver or organs, but some don't. They are anomaly to the system. In a process there will always be anomaly of free will. That's what the equation is not balanced. It's imbalanced, right? I mean, That's what they say.
I have a bigger question. Does it mean that even the mouse has a conscious mind? I mean, we are talking about humans having a subconscious mind, having these morals, having the everything.
See, morals
like
are high cognitive term. If you say that I don't want to harm this guy, this is a social engineering effort to make you do that.
So does it mean that even the mouse?
This doesn't exist in the universe actually. What do you mean by harm? These are all high level term actually. These are
Right.
for intelligent terms. If you
Right.
intelligent music, intelligent terms, and emotions of this level is actually intelligent emotion.
So
It's not a basic emotion.
So if consciousness only exists for human,
Nahi.
Nahi.
Nahi. Mouse has a degree of intelligence. It depends on how enriched your intelligence system are. So this limbic system is everybody is there by the way. Neocortex, जो upper area है, this is not well developed, the most developed in humans. So combination of this neocortex and limbic system decides high emotional term, harm, morality, God, whatever. I mean, those are high level emotions.
So
Not the कि मेरे को जीना है, मरना है, खाना है.
is it not possible that
Even
all
tiger
these-
has emotion कि मेरे को kill करना है प्रे को.
Is it not possible that even if there are no humans, there is no such consciousness like God and like pain?
नहीं, consciousness is not tied to the human or any
Yeah, that's the
particular
question
race.
I keep asking you.
नहीं,
If
even-
nothing is there, is consciousness there?
नहीं, even the mouse has consciousness, right?
Yeah, but not in the terms like there exists a God, there exists a
Consciousness exists. God का कोई मतलब नहीं. God is a manifestation of your emotional richness.
Alright, so let me go down deeper. Does amoeba have consciousness? They don't
Yes,
have brains,
yes.
But they don't have brains.
Okay, now the fundamental question. You really dragging me this.
Yeah.
So
Does consciousness exist
so-
outside of
So,
physical
how to
brain?
define life? Tell me first. So, what attributes makes you sure that this is a robot system and classification problem, and this is a life system. So, how to define life? I mean, we are need to define how life is. I mean, life basically we need to have a hydrocarbon system.
Lifespan.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Hydrocarbons.
life as on this earth is carbon based.
Whatever hydrocarbon based and
Carbon based systems.
amino acids.
Reproduce.
They call it amino acid and stuff like that. They do reproduce. They do reproduce and they do have a metabolism, a decent degree of metabolism. Basically, processing, right? Metabolic processing. And this cycle replicates. So this thing itself is not actually concretely defined. If the first thing in the biochemistry that people do, the definition of life, and जब तक ये definition of life proper नहीं आता कि life कैसे हुआ, and actually you create a life in the laboratory. Life in the laboratory from the amino acid collections, electrical spark, जो भी है. In earlier,
So if you rephrase the question, do you think life can exist without physical movings?
the beauty is, see, the hydrocarbon is non-organic.
स्वामी विवेकानंद better with that.
Hydrocarbon is non-organic, and the outside effect of this reproduction and metabolism is you see a consciousness or liveliness. So this non-organic to organic liveliness, this is it unknown. How did it happen? Nobody knows. So the moment you will know that how this non-organic substances create a consciousness.
Needs life.
That's what I'm saying. This is
Does it not need life?
it need life.
So if all life is gone, consciousness is gone.
Consciousness. See,
No, it would just have converted to something else, right? It can't go anywhere.
Consciousness.
probably yes.
It's
Probably
not,
yes.
I mean, you are applying physical formulas to consciousness. It's not something physical. It's something which can reside in physicality. But as far as I know, it's not physical.
But actually, if there is no there is no life,
ऐसी बातें
if there is no life, who will perceive this
टॉपिक ही आपने
liveliness?
चूज किया है.
एक घंटा फोन करते हुए
वरना क्या इंटरेस्ट है 2 घंटे कैसे निकालोगे?